Tired of juggling events and deadlines across different apps? Let's tame that chaos by syncing your Google Calendar directly into Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet. We'll start by installing a handy add-in. Click on Extensions in the top menu, then select Add-ins and then Get Add-ins. In the Google Workspace Marketplace search bar, type Calendar to Sheets. You'll see several options. Look for one with good ratings and a decent number of installs. Once you've found a suitable add-in, click on it, and then click the Install button. You'll need to grant the add-in permissions to access your Google Calendar and Google Sheets account. Make sure you trust the developer before granting permissions. After the add-in is installed, go back to Extensions in the top menu. You should now see the add-in you just installed listed there. Click on it to open its sidebar. The add-in sidebar will guide you through the setup process. You'll typically need to select the Google Calendar you want to sync, choose the date range for the events you want to import, and specify where in your sheet you want the data to be placed. Once you've configured the settings, run the add-in. Your Google Calendar events will now populate in your Google Sheet. You can customize the data further, create charts, and even set up automated updates to keep your sheet in sync with your calendar. Now, you have a centralized view for streamlined scheduling, event tracking, and data analysis.